Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. So guys, when you want to download any app on App Store and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after doing this you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad. And guys after this you need to open your Apple ID in your iPhone. And guys after this simply you need to scroll it down, and here is the option that is media and purchases. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to click on view account. And guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys after this here you need to put passcode of your Apple ID. And guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds for next page opening. So guys when next page open, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys wait for a few seconds. So guys now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys simply you need to click on country or region. So guys you need to click on it. And guys after this you need to wait for next page opening. So guys now you can see page is on loading. So guys wait for a few seconds. So guys now you can see here is the option that is change country or region. So guys that app is not installed in your iPhone because that app is not available in your country or region. So guys simply you need to change your country or region from here. And guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys simply you need to click on change country or region. So guys if you have selected your own country, Afghanistan or any other like this, so guys simply you need to scroll it down, and guys select your country, change your country. So guys for example now you can see I have selected my country Pakistan. So guys simply you need to change your country. So guys now I am going to select United States. So guys simply you need to change your country. And guys after this you need to agree with terms and conditions of iPhone. And guys after this type of interface will be open. So guys if you want to purchase any app or another subscription, then guys you need to add your debit or credit card here, number, expiry date and CVV. And guys if you do not want to purchase anything, then guys simply you need to select none option. And guys after this writing your first and last name. So guys here you need to fill all the required portions. So guys street address, and guys after this city, state, zip code, and guys phone number. And guys after this simply you need to click on next. And guys after this all the information will be saved in your on your App Store. So guys after changing your country, then guys when you open your App Store and guys download that app, then guys you will be able to download that app easily in your iPhone or iPad. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.